Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2016 GLA 250 4MATIC. This one is a Jupiter Red. Underneath there's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 208 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. This one has 19-inch black width alloy wheels. The tires are in good condition. Beige MB Tex interior. Coming around back, GLA 250 4MATIC badging, power lift gate, fold down rear seats, clean set of floor mats, cargo cover. Coming alongside, blind spot assist, memory seats, power windows. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, dark brown wood trim, media display, rear view backup camera, hard keys for our media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders. This GLA has 28,779 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLA 250, check out feldmanimports.com.